welcome to Candi Entertains. Today I have the perfect summer dessert for you. It's my blueberry lemon trifle. This recipe is easy and delicious with just a few ingredients. I have a store-bought shortcut by a prepared angel food cake from your grocery store, and also a good quality jar of lemon curd. From there, you need 3 cups of blueberries and then 2 cups of lemon flavored yogurt. Now, what's gonna bump this up a notch? We're gonna make homemade whipped cream. That sounds daunting, but it's not. It's super simple, and I'll show you how to put it all together. So first, we're gonna combine the yogurt with the lemon curd. So here, we just wanna combine our lemon flavored yogurt with our lemon curd. And this will be absolutely delicious. Now that our lemon curd and lemon yogurt mixture is all combined, we're gonna make our homemade whipped cream. So for our homemade whipped cream, we're gonna start with 1 quart of heavy whipping cream. And you can also use your hand mixer or KitchenAid mixer, whatever you have at home is fine. And then we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then 2 tablespoons of white sugar. This is just gonna help sweeten up our whipped cream. From there, start on a low speed for about 3 minutes, and once you see soft peaks form, speed it up to the highest speed. And once your peaks are formed, then your whipped cream is ready. So our whipped cream is all done, and I'm gonna take 1/4 cup and just add it to our lemon mixture here, just to add a little lusciousness to it. Perfect. So it's time to layer our trifle, and we're gonna start by just putting a little bit of the angel food cake in the bottom, like so. And then the next layer will be some of the lemon curd and yogurt cream mixture. Alright, so we're just about finished. Our last step, we're gonna add all that luscious homemade whipped cream right on top of the trifle. So we're just about finished. We've mounded all that luscious whipped cream on top. And now I'm just gonna top with a few blueberries for garnish. This dessert just screams summer. The lemon is refreshing and light, and the blueberries are in season. I hope you guys make this for your next dessert or party, or just because you have a taste for something sweet. You know you need fresh lemon zest. And I'd say dessert is served. So once your trifle is complete, just let it chill in the fridge for about 2 hours to let all the flavors marry together. I hope you enjoyed this dessert. If you like what you see and want to see more awesome, easy recipes, don't forget to hit subscribe. Until next time.